There's a storm coming in, guys. Look at this. What's going on? I can't believe it's 2018. We made it another year. Huh. I think this year's the year. I'm excited. 2018, let's crush it. Let's destroy it. Let's be awesome. Anyways, we've been getting snow. This is so weird for Canada. I'm not used to snow. Usually it just rains and it's slushy and lots of salt. Anyways, sled got it ripping last night. Started it up, she goes. So we changed over the jets. It's a little tricky, you know, but you just gotta watch some YouTube tutorials and figure it out for yourself. Call a few guys. So I'm excited. I'm gonna go for a little rip today, see if I can go find some drifts. There is a storm coming, so it's supposed to snow a few centimeters. So that'll be awesome for later this week. Got some powder. Check out the merch store, guys. I just uploaded like 10 new designs from Justin. We did some Team 408 t-shirts too, so I think there's like 5 or 10 Team 408 designs now, so they are pretty sick. We were working on more designs because I want to have my merch out. I want you guys wearing it. I want you supporting the team, being awesome. So anyways, go check it out. The link below. The Design by Humans one, shop Mark Freeman 408. The Bailey sled. She is ready to rip. Sorry, Ryan, I ripped your number off. And don't worry about it. That's just glue. I'm still working on taking that off. Need to slap a 408 down there. Look at the track on this thing. It is aggressive. If I don't get stuck with that thing, I don't know what's wrong. Yeah, when I start this thing, it smells delicious. Got some Mystic oil in there. Delicious. All right, let's fire this thing up and see if we can go locate some trouble. Trouble City. Here, girl. Here, girl. We got the carbides in it last night too, so I can't use the hot start button anymore. I gotta disconnect that. Make sure no one accidentally pushes it. Give her a little prime. Prime time. I'm thinking first pull. What do you guys think? Nope. She's the second pull. Load her up. Just a quick little scoot on the Ski-Doo. Nice little run there. Couldn't find too much powder. I just kind of went around the block looking for some drifts, but didn't find too much, so I just went down, hit the track, did a half or a full lap there. It's we're getting some snow, so hopefully within the next week or so we get some big drifts coming in. And yeah, might have to load her up in the truck and go find some big drifts somewhere. So Scotty just called me, he wants to rip, and then Geoff called me, so he wants to rip too. So we're gonna, yeah, keep making these videos. Anyways, I'm gonna wrap this one up. I think Brad's coming over later on. We're gonna rip up some stuff. I gotta get some cars going too. I'd like to do some winter jumps. I think that would be pretty badass. So let's push that Buick up the hill, see if we can get the Impala running. Hopefully the battery isn't effed now that it's been dead and left it in the cold, but if it is, then whatever. So yeah, well, thank you guys as always. Got lots of videos to come on this weapon. That was my first big test on it. She seemed to run pretty well. So she likes the powder, that's for sure. It floats in the powder pretty good, which is nice, and does some mean wheelies. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna wrap this up. Thank you guys again. We'll see you later.